See the topic Introduction to Immunity. Basically, in this topic, we will see the overview of our immune system, how it works. See, here you can see immunity is divided into two groups, that is the innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity means inborn immunity, okay, and the adaptive means the acquired immunity. Now see, innate immunity, it is again divided into immediate response and always on. What is this? So we'll see that there is a barriers in our body, that is skin, which is a barrier which protect us from the foreign invaders, bacteria, viruses. Okay, there is a gastric juice inside our stomach. Okay, then there is natural microflora, then epithelial cells is there, mucosal lining is there. All these are the barriers which always on, and they protect us from the foreign particles or the invaders. Okay, similarly there is a complement system that is said to be the protein complement system. It also always on and protect us from the foreign invaders, right? Now imagine that our body is like a city, and in the city if the bad people comes, so how cops will took action against them. Similarly inside our body, so these system or the immune system works. So if that bacteria, for example, is a bad people, they come inside our body, what happen? Immediate response took place by our body. There are the neutrophils, and neutrophils like this multi-lobe nucleus they have, and you might have studied that in your bar body practical. Okay, so that neutrophils, for example phagocytes, and the APC means antigen presenting cells, which is for example dendritic cell or the macrophages. Okay, they uh, took action against the foreign invaders or for example bacteria. Okay, so this is actually the inborn immunity or the innate immunity which works. But sometimes what happen, the bacteria, they produces lots of toxic chemicals, and this innate immunity is not sufficient to fight against them. At that time adaptive immunity is actually taking place its role, and that's why it is said to be the delayed response. Okay, now which lymphocytes then the T cells, then B cells. T cells for example CD4 cells and CD8 cells, while in case of B cells they produces the antibodies. Okay, and produce immune response against the foreign invaders or the bacteria. In this way these immune system, innate immunity is actually interconnected with the adaptive immunity, you can say. If it not along with the adaptive immunity, innate immunity works. Okay, so in this way I hope one more thing here is that antibodies is there. Here you can see antibodies, they are protein in nature. Then complement factor, they are also protein in nature. So the immune response in which the protein play role, that is called as the antibody mediated immune response. Antibody mediated immune response, while the immune response in which cells play a role, that is called as the cell mediated immune response. Cell mediated immune response. So antibody mediated immune response in which antibodies and complement factors play a role, and cell mediated immune response in which actually the cells actually plays roles. Okay, neutrophils, APC cells, T cells, B cells. Okay, so this is about the. Thank you.